Good evening, Pipe Smokers Forum. This is Aaron from good old Frozen, Vermont, with the first installment of Blind Review Thread, Video Edition. Courtesy of Richard. Thank you, Richard, for making me a part of this. Anyways, first sample that Richard included in his big box of goodies was this beautiful little zippy shag cut. Obviously has some Virginias in there. Something that I think might be Latakia, but not so sure. It's not coming through quite so well in the smoke itself. But if I had to guess, nice light English. Of course, charring light. Didn't go all that great. Took a couple little really strong tokes to get it going, but a little moist in the bag. Nothing we can't deal with. Now, since then, it's been going pretty good for about 15 minutes, and I figured I'd give you some of my notes so far. Cold draw was a little bit smoky, and in fact, the little baggie smelled pretty smoky to begin with, but I'm not sure if that's because of any Latakia in it or because Richard was kind enough to include what looked like both a very pungent plug and a very, very deep, dark, smoky flake within the sample pack, and there was that sort of good, earthy, smoky smell just permeating everything. Anyways, what I'm tasting really tastes like a nice light English. Good bit of sweetness from the Virginias. I know there's Orientals in here, some sort or another. Couldn't tell you if it's Samson or Bosma or any of that stuff. Not that good. You've just witnessed the first relight. Really didn't even need it, but there you go. Yeah, it's light, it's sweet. Every once in a while a bit of Latakia smokiness comes through. Nothing to complain about. I think it'd make a good all-day, everyday English type smoke. Or if you were jumping over to Englishes for the first time, maybe this would be a good introductory blend. I don't know. Couldn't tell you which blend specifically it is. I'm not that good. I'm not that well versed in different types of English. It's definitely not as Englishy as, say, Squadron Leader. That is one that I have had experience with. But it's definitely a bit tastier than the bulk blend that I got at my local cigar shop. Because, of course, he couldn't even tell me what it was other than, oh yeah, I think this is English. But anyways, I'll get back to you with a more detailed write-up, but for now, nice, light, mild English as far as this goes. Again, sample one. And once again, thank you, Richard.